Hi, I'm Shatbhi Basu, and today we're going to make a really cool gin and tonic. It's going to be fantastic. Let's begin. Ice in the glass, that's the way I like it. I've got a beautiful gin. I'm going to put a generous portion of this extremely aromatic gin into my glass. I've got fresh cucumber juice, and fresh cucumber juice is really simple to make. Just grate a cucumber, squeeze it, strain it through a fine strainer, and you've got cucumber juice. So I'm going to use about 45 ml of cucumber juice, a squeeze of lime, and that's going to freshen it up, really. Now comes the surprise element. Fresh curry leaves straight out of my plant. I'm going to twist and break it and release all the curry leaf flavor. And then I have tonic water. I'm going to simply top it up with some fizzy tonic and mix it all up. Let the flavors all come together. We want the cucumber, the tonic, the gin, and the curry leaf. Some curry leaf, just like that. And then I have this beautiful little lavender flower. Freshness in a glass. A beautiful cucumber and curry leaf gin and tonic. That's going to make you feel, oh, so good. I can smell that curry leaf. It's just amazing.